Hello students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Right students? Yes. Okay. Students, so today our subject is maths and our topic is going on. कौन सा topic चल रहा है हमारा? Addition. Good. In last worksheet, I was show you some method how to add numbers with fingers. Okay, today I also teach you how to add addition with the help of fingers but in new way. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's start. Here is my first sum. Here are some sums. You are seeing some addition sums are here. Now I will teach you a new method of addition. Okay, it will help you to solve the sum quickly. Okay, the first sum is 3 addition 6. Okay, so now earlier what we do, we open 3 fingers in one hand and 6 fingers on other hand, then we add both of them. Now in new method, what we will do, up which number is up up here, ऊपर कौन सा नंबर है स्टूडेंट्स 3 और नीचे कौन सा है 6. ओके, तो ऑन द टॉप वी हैव 3 and at the bottom we have 6. So we will not open 3 fingers. We remember only 3 on the top. So we have 3. Okay, now we will open 6 fingers. That is the down number. Okay, so we will open 6 fingers. We will open 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so which number on the top? 3. Now we will count 3 onwards. 3 से आगे काउंट करेंगे. ऑनवर्ड्स मतलब आगे. 3 से आगे क्या आता है? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay students, it will help you like this. हमने 3 फिंगर्स ओपन नहीं किया, हमने 3 से आगे 6 फिंगर्स को ही ओपन किया है. तो हम 3 से आगे काउंट करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो 3, यहाँ पर 3 है, तो 3 से नेक्स्ट नंबर होता है 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. तो we will write 9 here. 3 addition 6 will be 9. Now which number on the top? 4. And which number at the bottom? 2. So we will not open 4 fingers, we will open only 2 fingers and we will count 4 onwards. तो हम 4 से आगे काउंट करेंगे. तो 4, 5, 6 है ना. It is easier than earlier method है ना, कि हमें सारी फिंगर्स ओपन करने से अच्छा है कि हम डाउन में जो नंबर है उतनी फिंगर्स ओपन करेंगे और जो ऊपर वाला नंबर है उससे आगे काउंट करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. लाइक ऊपर है 4 है ना, 4 इज ऑन द टॉप and bottom here is 2. So we will open only 2 fingers and we will count 4 onwards. तो हम 4 से आगे काउंट करेंगे. 4, 5, 6. तो 4 addition 2 will be 6 like this. Now which number on the top? 5. And which number at the bottom? 1. So we will count 5 onwards and we will open only 1 finger. That is the number down. जो नंबर नीचे हम सिर्फ उतनी ही फिंगर्स को ओपन करेंगे और 5 से आगे उसको काउंट करेंगे. 5 और 1 फिंगर हम ओपन करेंगे लाइक दिस. तो 5 and 6. तो 5 plus addition 1 is will be 6 like this. Okay, now here which number on the top? 4 and at the bottom 3. So what we will do, we will open 3 fingers. That number that is at the bottom, we will open 3 fingers. 1, 2 and 3. Now which number on the top? 4. तो we will count 4 onwards. तो हम 4 से आगे काउंट करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 will be 7. Good. Now here is 7. Which number at the top? 7, and at the bottom 1. So students, we have only 5 fingers in one hand. So if we will open 7 fingers, so we will use 2 hands, है ना? But in this method we will use only one hand and our sum will be solved. So what we will do, we will open only the number which is down. हम सिर्फ उतनी, we will open the finger according to the number which is down. जो नंबर नीचे हम सिर्फ उसी के अकॉर्डिंग फिंगर को ओपन करेंगे. तो हेयर इज विच नंबर इज डाउन? 1. तो वी विल ओपन 1 फिंगर एंड एट द टॉप वी हैव 7. तो 7 प्लस 1, 7 प्लस 1, 7 से आगे काउंट करेंगे तो 7 में 1 ऐड करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 7 के बाद क्या आएगा? 8. 7 8. तो 7 प्लस 1 विल बी 8, like this. Okay, now here is 2 at the top and 3 at the bottom. So what we will do, we will open 3 fingers, 1 2 and 3. now we will count 2 onwards. तो हम 2 से आगे स्टार्ट करेंगे. 2 3 4 5. तो 2 plus 3 will be 5. and we, okay, then here is which number is here? 5. and which number at the bottom? Here is also 5. So what we will do, we will open 5 fingers, that the number down. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So now we will count 5 onwards. Okay, 5 6 7 8 9 10. 5 plus 5 will be 10, like this. Now 6 on the top and 2 at the bottom. So what we will do, we will open 2 fingers, 1 and 2. now we will count 6 onwards. 6 से आगे हम 2 काउंट करेंगे. 6 7 8. तो 6 addition 2 will be 8, like this. now 3 at the top and 3 also at the bottom. So what we will do, we will open only 3 fingers, 1 2 3. and which number on the top? 3. तो we will count 3 onwards. तो हम 3 से आगे काउंट करेंगे. 3 तो ऊपर है. 3 4 5 6. तो 3 plus 3 will be 6, like this. So students, this is your new method of addition. You can try it and it will be easier than the method of earlier. I teach you different methods, so that which method you feel easier, you can do the sum with that. Okay students, मैंने आपको एडिशन के different methods सिखाए हैं, और जो आपको उनमें से सबसे इजी लगता है आप उस एडिशन के मेथड को यूज़ करके सम्स को कर सकते हैं. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, तो अब आपकी मैंने आपको नोटबुक में भी एक वर्कशीट दी है करने के लिए. So that is the worksheet, like this. This is the worksheet in your notebook. Okay, here is, they write the sums in 2 different ways. In this worksheet, they write the sums in 2 different ways. Okay, so 4 plus 2. So what we will do, we will do with same method that I teach you today. Okay, here is 4. So and next number is 2. So we will open 2 fingers only and we will count 4 onwards. 4 5 6. So we will write 6 here, like this. Same method we will do here. 4 is up top and 2 is at the bottom. तो 4 हमें 4 से आगे काउंट करने 2 नंबर्स. तो we will open 2 fingers, 1 2. 4 5 6. We will write 6 here. Okay, next is 5 plus 1. So what we will do, we will not open 5 fingers, we will open only 1 finger. We will open this finger. Now the 5 and 1 number we will count forward. एक नंबर हम आगे गिनेंगे. 5 से अगला नंबर क्या आता है? 5 plus 1 5 6. तो यहाँ पर again it will be 6, and here also like that 5 and 1. So we will open that finger, the number that is below. So here is 1, so we will open one finger. Now we will count 5 onwards. 5 से आगे गिनेंगे हम, 5 नहीं गिनेंगे हम, 5 से आगे गिनेंगे. 5 6, 5 यहाँ पर है और 6 यहाँ पर हमने काउंट कर लिया. 5 and 6, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Same in here, 3 addition 6. So we will open 6 fingers. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now what we will do, we will count 3 onwards. So 3, here is 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, like this. Here is also the same method, 3, but we will open only 6 fingers. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now we will count 3 onwards. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 3 plus 6 will be 9. Should be like this. This is the method I teach you today. So do it like this. This is the worksheet number 1 and worksheet number 2, and also for your notebook here is a worksheet in same method. Do it like that in that way, and the page number 55 and 56 you will also do in Math Magic book. Okay students, I hope you understand this method and you will practice it at home. Okay, so thank you and have a good day.